Hi, Bubba. He just had his National Junior Honor Society assembly yesterday. I'm so proud of him. He was inducted in yesterday. It's really nice otherwise. It's kind of
peaceful.
Snow flurrying every now and then.
That's peaceful down here. It's not like pots on.
There's the fishing guys. There's a boat in the background.
Yo! Dad! Look, the show I just chucked at this threw down there like a frisbee, went all the way to the ocean.
Cool.
Watch this.
There are the piers. Coming off the boardwalk. There's motels yet. There's still some motels left. Not everything are condos. Here's Maki again. He's loving it down here. He loves it. It's not too cold for him.
Ready?
Here he goes. Mischievous knockoff. Crazy guy. Okay. Good boy. Back up. Sky's pretty. Big Al wants to go in. I guess he's cold. No. This is a short walk. I'm gonna wrap it up. It's a short walk. Come on, Bubba. We gotta bring him back. Come on, Malcolm. Come on, buddy.
No, don't let him eat that. He'll get sick. He'll get sick.
Here we go. Sunday, 11/23/08. Sunday.
Get him away from there, honey.
Ellie, look.
Get away from there. Come on.
Where's the ball? Why don't you throw that?
Malcolm! Malcolm!
Oh, there he goes.
Loads of boats out there today.
He's digging. What did he get? A shell?
Yeah.
Good boy.
Go get him,
Oh,
buddy!
there's a DOG down there. Don't go down that way. Stay this way, anyway. You don't want to go too far. Right back here. Right down there.
Hi, buddy. Come here. No, come here.
Malcolm. No.
Malcolm.
Stop. Good boy.
Good boy.
Good boy.
Hey, Bubba.
Meow. Meow. Malcolm. Malcolm. Malcolm.
Come. Come on, Mal. Yeah, it's close to what you think it is.
I was getting overheated.
Hey, Muzzy.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
It's really calm today.
Yeah, it's a lot warmer today. Gosh.
Yeah.
Look at the water, honey. Any
Yeah.
waves.
There's the fisherman. A lot of boats out there too. There's a sailboat out there.
Must be awfully cold in the water. Oh.
It's hard to.
Get it! Get the ball! Get it!
Uh-oh. Oh, jeez. Pooperino. Oh. I got my bags.
I don't like it.
There he goes. He's happy now. He's like, okay, now I can play. Jeez. Good. Thank you.
Malcolm! Malcolm!
Hey, Dad.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
You have fun?
Yeah.
Malcolm, have a lot of fun today.
Back up.
Fish head. Malcolm!
He's caught in the vortex. He's caught in the vortex.
There's a lot of fish swimming back here.
Okay.
I didn't throw that!
Look here, buddy.
Did you say fall?
Nah.
It fell.
What happened? Like.
Get off the sand, Alex. It's wet sand. Get off there.
Yeah.
You know, I'm playing how I'm going.